Hey guys, welcome back to natassiar1. On today's episode, I'm going to be talking about what is lemon balm tea good for. And I'm also going to show you how to prepare lemon balm into a beautiful tea that you can add into your daily routine. So if you like today's content, click on the like and subscribe button, comment and share the video on your social media. It will help my channel to grow and I appreciate your support. So let's begin. So what is lemon balm? Well, lemon balm is actually a plant, a medicinal plant that is grown in Europe and in the Middle East. And it's always been harvested for its traditional medicinal purposes, whether it's used to treat digestive issues, insomnia, and mood disorders. So it's been prepared as a tea and brewed amongst traditional and ancient medicine and healers who use this on a daily basis. So the question is, well, when I've done my research, what benefits have come out and from my personal experience? Well, research shows that lemon balm is actually fantastic as a liver detox. So it naturally detoxes your liver. If you've gone on a binge and you need to clear your detox and you want to reset your body, it's fantastic for you. It's also shown to reduce PMS symptoms amongst women if you suffer with cramps. But the biggest benefit that I personally experienced is that lemon balm tea is fantastic for reducing stress and anxiety. If you have panic attacks or you feel overwhelmed, this is a fantastic tea for you. You can have it twice a day. It's also amazing for insomnia. So if you're highly stressed and your body is overactive in your mind and you need to calm down, it's actually a mild sedative. You can use it before you go to sleep, maybe 2 hours before, and it calms you down. Imagine if you have a stressful day, how fantastic is this tea, especially when you're stressed at home or whether it's personal or professional. It is amazing. I've been using it for probably about 2 months now and I've seen amazing impact to my body. I have it at work. I still work in corporate. And I have it in the mornings after a workout, and I have it in the afternoon to help me to calm the nerves because I'm getting a bit anxious about the amount of work that I need to cover for the week. So it is fantastic for insomnia and improving your mood and just making you feel a lot calmer and having the Zen effect without being high. The other amazing benefit of lemon balm tea is that it's antimicrobial. And antibacterial. So when you ingest the tea, it actually helps to reduce bad bacteria in your gut. If you're having a yeast infection or you're fighting candida, this is fantastic as part of the ritual that you need to adopt. So drink it, it will help reduce the bad bacteria in your gut. The other fantastic thing about it is that it's anti-inflammatory. So if you have digestive gut issues like Crohn's or IBS, it calms your gut and your colon and just makes you feel a lot more relaxed. So, in my personal capacity, I've experienced 3 of those benefits. Reduction of stress and anxiety, especially if you feel overwhelmed, which sometimes I do. Secondly, insomnia, the inability to sleep and rest your mind. And the third one was gut disorder or issues. I find it very soothing to my gut and my colon. And it just makes you feel more relaxed. So how do you prepare this amazing tea? Well, you're going to go to your nearest organic health retailer or store and purchase some lemon balm. Now it comes in, as you can see, like a herb consistency, like thyme or dried oregano, like dried herbs. And what you're going to do is you're going to take probably 3 tablespoons and put it into a tea strainer in your cup, and you're going to fill that up with some hot water, and you're going to let that steep for probably 2 to 3 minutes depending how strong you want it. Now the beautiful thing about this lemon balm is that it has a bit of a hint of lemon as well as mint, and so it's actually quite a lovely gentle flavored tea. And once you steep it for about 2 minutes, you will actually remove the tea strainer and you'll be left with this golden, beautiful, minty liquid. And that liquid is essentially your tea. A lot of people ask me, do we add milk or sugar? There's no need to. I mean, you really want the natural goodness of it. But if you want to, you can add a little bit of plant milk and honey. I would recommend maybe doing a slice of lemon and ginger and drinking that. There's really no need for the additional stuff. You could do a tea latte though if you'd like. So just an extra tip if you want. And then I don't throw the tea leaves. What I do is I use it for a different brew. You could use that tea leaves for probably 2 or 3 cups of tea. So you're saving, you're recycling, you're not wasting the tea. To be honest with you, this tea is actually not that expensive, but it depends on how often you're going to consume it. So I would recommend doing it probably twice a day. And so you probably need 2 or 3 packs a week, which is what I go through. But I reuse and recycle, I don't waste, and I chill my my reused herbs in the fridge for the next day if I need to use it. So guys, yeah, that's how simple it is. Lemon balm, I highly recommend it for you to add it as one of your teas that you're going to use in your daily routine. And if you like today's episode and if you've tried it out, let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you've made a variation of this tea. And if you like the content, again, subscribe to my channel. Check out my website, www.natassiar1.com. And you can also, click on the like button, which will help my channel to grow. So guys, until next time, thanks for tuning in.